Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and today I just wanted to go over quickly the MOD survival knife, and this is the one I cleaned up a few videos ago. So if you're interested in that, just go back and you can see a video of that. This is how it came out. So I needed to chop some firewood, but I also needed to review the knife, so I figured I'd do both now and show you what I've done and how this works. So a lot of people don't like splitting wood with a knife. This is what I normally use. I used to be able to see what it said on there. I want to say Sheath, but I got a second hand, and basically you can see here the handle split on it. So I just epoxied it down and I bought it second hand for £4. Not the best condition it is now because I left it outside, but this is what I normally use to split my wood. So stuff I normally split with my knife is something like this, not overly thick. This is cedar. All my wood here is seasoned, so it's very dry. Okay, I'm just going to show you because this knife's a bit of a tank. It's really thick. I put an edge on it. Not a super edge, but an edge no less. And we'll just split this up and then I'll show you how it cuts. But it's a big heavy knife. And I wouldn't worry about this not going through anything. Okay, so that's good enough for me for this piece. But let me just show you now how this cuts. Before, when I got this, it wouldn't do this. There was no edge on it. It was just left in a drawer and not being used, and it wasn't in great condition. So I managed to get this second hand off the Facebook trade group for a nice fella. But you can see now that it's a much better, you know, knife now. That is an edge on it. Oh, and the pigeons are attacking me. But so it does its job. I mean, I'm going over the top onto the spine, but that guard there is in the way. But if you're going to do all forearms, then you know it's going to be a big hunk of a knife to work. But you can see the edge is good, so I did put a good edge on that. I mean, this wooden bit, a lot of the handles are dark, but I cleaned this up, sanded down, put a little bit of finish on it. I think it came out nice. Definitely does cut well. There are a few little nicks. There's like one little nick in the blade there. There's a little dent there, but sorry. One bit there, and another one there. And little ones there. I tried getting most of them out, but like I said, it wasn't in great condition when I got it. But you know, I can rely on the knife now to process wood, so which is what the whole point was. And for chopping, let's see how far I can chop down. Right, so I can get a good piece of wood to stand up. Something like this maybe. Yeah. Let's see if I can hit that. There you go. So it's just a big hefty knife. I'm not going to go into too much detail because this knife's been out there for quite a while. It's been done to death. But someone did ask about it, so figured I oblige. Can you see that? I'll try to get that on camera. Cool. Yeah, so it worked heavy, can split. Again, there's the edge on it. Might polish it, might not. But it's not my main knife, it's just something I bought. And you can see the stamp there to use. Like I said, it's a really good, you know, if you want a classical knife. I only got it because it's a military knife. And I'm just in this country, so I figure I might as well try out the knife that's in this country. So it still cuts. It's good. I'm not going to bother trying to do a ferro rod because I know it won't, because this is really smooth on top. I could grind it out. A lot of people put a different bevel on it, different edge on it. I'm not that great with doing that, so I'm not going to bother messing it up. It does cut, it does chop, so I'm happy with that. But it is, like I said, it is a hefty knife. Ow. Ow. Before I go, just wanted to show you guys the sheath. This isn't the original sheath. I bought this off eBay. It has 2 straps. In the back of it, it has MOLLE compatible. Okay, so when you put it away, it looks like that with just 2 straps. Just want to add that in case you guys are interested or have one. You have the original. So like I said, I don't want to bore you. This knife's been done to death on YouTube. Plenty of reviews on it. I just want to show you what I did with it, and then you can see how it performs after I maintained it and put an edge on it and stuff. You know, now we'll just need a strop here and there after use. It'll be fine. But like I said, it's not my main knife. It's just something that I wanted to pick up, just to have, kind of thing, like just a collectible, would you say? That's probably about it, really. But no, I mean, I like it. The handle's quite nice now. It wasn't originally. I did thin it out a bit, but I didn't go as far down as the studs would be exposed and go into my hand. But you know, palm-wise, it just fits nice. So, like I said, just a quick review. Just want to show you it does chop, it does split wood, it does, you know, feather stick, all the rest of it. So it's just a good all-arounder. Do you have one of these? If so, have you modded it? I want to know that as well. I have seen a few modded videos, but like I said, I'm not too keen on doing that. But if you have modded it, let me know what you did to it. I've seen some people put a spine on it. Some people put a little bit of a like a dent in it so they can do a ferro rod. You know, some people put paracord on the handle. It's up to you, really. But let me know in the comment section if you have this and if you modded it. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you next video. Bye.